What's going on, guys? Wow, what a week. It's been quite a green week. Wanted to kind of just um, give my first take at doing screen share using OBS. So I'm just now learning. Leave your comments below as far as how I'm doing. But I just wanted to take a look as far as how my portfolio was doing. Kind of give you a breakdown of currently what I hold, what I am more bullish on, and probably what I need to stack more of, to be honest. But it's just the power of holding in this bear market, waiting for the bull run. And this just gives you context of what my portfolio would be doing, as if I had it in the bull run, and where it's at today. So just to kind of give you an idea of all time, I mean, what I would have in the peak of the bull run, the last cycle, with what I have today, I would be at close to a quarter mil, right? My prediction is what I hold today and the breakdowns of my allocations here. Obviously, I'm very heavy on Bitcoin, ETH, Solana. Wow, Solana has just been killing it. Dogecoin, XRP, Cardano, Caspa. Can't wait for my KS2 to start stacking my bags again. Matic. You got your Ethereum Classic, your Chainlink, your Clore, your Render, and some others. Top 100s that are less than 1% of my portfolio here. But yeah, just kind of giving an idea here as far as where I'm currently at, what I'm probably expecting in the bull run, and I'm gonna go back to what I was saying right before I went through the list of coins here. Is my prediction based on what I'm holding today? I believe, not financial advice, but I would expect at least a 5 to 8x minimum, absolute minimum, of what the peak of the run was from what I was holding. Bitcoin, obviously, maybe a 4x, I would say, at least. I'm planning on the hundreds, mid 100,000. ETH, I'm expecting probably 8 to 10,000. Solana, honestly, Solana has potential of hitting another all-time high in the 300s, I believe. Doge, I think with the Twitter X accepting transactions using Dogecoin, I think it has great potential. Lesson learned during the Elon SNL pump. I held it and never sold it. It went up and it went all the way down. I've been holding it ever since, so I know it'll 10x if it hits the all-time high. XRP, man, this is one of my first coins I've ever bought. I've been holding. I think probably in the 20 cent, 14 cent range way back in the day, and I've been just stacking my bags since. And Cardano, obviously, getting to a couple dollars, easy 10x. Caspa, this is the wild card. It's already at 9 cents. I believe we're going to hit at least 80 cents to $1.20 in the bull run. So yeah, it's exciting times. And I just wanted to give this breakdown as far as what I own right now, what I'm hoping to grow my bags more of. And, I just believe in 50% roughly Bitcoin, 25% mid caps, probably top 100, maybe top 200, and then 25% of just speculative low caps, like your Octaspace, like your Ironfish, your POW coins. So yeah, this kind of hopefully gives you a breakdown of all my allocations. I have way too many coins. I think I should probably narrow it down to like 50, maybe Well, no, I have about 30 or 50, so I should probably go down to maybe 20, but we'll see. I mean, obviously, I have about 10 or so that are 1% or more of my portfolio, so I think that's pretty healthy. And my 1% would be core and render right around there. So, yeah, very excited. And give me your thoughts as far as what you guys think I should build more of a bag of. As you can see, I think we are now at the beginning of the bull run. We saw the bottom uh, probably around beginning of the year, accumulation right around here, and now we're ready. So take care, guys, and thanks again.